So yesterday the cars didn't have any snow on them at all. We got maybe 4 or 5 inches overnight. But when we woke up, it wasn't like physically snowing. But now it's been coming down like this for, I don't know, 2.5 hours. It's supposed to do this for, I don't know, until sometime tomorrow. Wonder if you'll be able to still see the mailbox. Cars are gonna be damn snowed in. Supposed to be like a mini blizzard, I guess. We'll see what. So now it's a couple hours later. Snow's starting to slow down a little bit. I don't know if you can tell that it's snowing still. A little bit. Look at that, that's crazy. I gotta go get into that car. Now it's about 5 o'clock Eastern time. It's been snowing all day. Before it gets dark, I want to come out here and see 8.5 inches. There was no snow on either one of these cars yesterday. That one's looking like 8 inches. And it's coming down. Losing the mailbox up there. Dogs are still loving it. People riding snowmobiles down the road. So they just plowed the driveway and check out this fucking monster snowbank. I still got to get the snow out from in front of this car. Look at that. It's fucking almost as tall as me, man. I don't know what you could see doing that, but that fucker's huge.